मुझे कैसे पता होगा? हाउ वुड आई नो? हाउ वुड आई नो? आप क्या करना चाहेंगे? What would you like to do? What would you like to do? वह मुझे क्यों बुलाएगा? Why would he call me? Why would he call me? मैं चाहूँगा. I would like to. I would like to. मैं सब कुछ जानना चाहूँगा. I would like to know everything. I would like to know everything. मुझे आपकी पार्टी में आना अच्छा लगेगा. I would love to come to your party. I would love to come to your party. क्या आप ऐसा चाहेंगे? Would you want that? Would you want that? क्या आप घर पर आना चाहेंगे? Would you like to come over? Would you like to come over? लेकिन आप क्यों तकलीफ करेंगे? But why would you take the trouble? But why would you take the trouble? क्या तुम्हें वो पसंद आएगा? Would you like that? Would you like that? क्या आप मेरे साथ चलना चाहेंगे? Would you like to come along? Would you like to come along? यही सबसे अच्छा तरीका होगा. That would be the best way. That would be the best way. वह ऐसा क्यों करेगी? Why would she do that? Why would she do that? मैं कभी भी अंदाजा नहीं लगा सकता था. I never would have guessed. I never would have guessed. क्या कोई मुझे थोड़ा पानी देगा? Would anybody give me some water? Would anybody give me some water? क्या आप उस लड़की से शादी करेंगे? Would you marry that girl? Would you marry that girl? वह रुकना पसंद करेगी. She would rather stay. She would rather stay. मैं उसके लिए कुछ भी करूँगा. I would do anything for her. I would do anything for her. उन्होंने कहा कि वे नहीं आएंगे. He said that he would not come. He said that he would not come. वह अपने पिता से झूठ क्यों बोलेगा? Why would he lie to his father? Why would he lie to his father? अच्छा रहेगा. That would be nice. That would be nice. क्या आप पानी पीना चाहेंगे? Would you like to drink water? Would you like to drink water? मैं जानता था कि तुम समय पर स्कूल नहीं पहुंचोगे. I knew you wouldn't reach the school in time. I knew you wouldn't reach the school in time. मैं सैंडविच ऑर्डर करना चाहूँगी. I would like to order a sandwich. I would like to order a sandwich. वे वैसे भी पार्टी में नहीं आए होंगे. They wouldn't have come to the party anyway. They wouldn't have come to the party anyway. मुझ पर कौन विश्वास करेगा? Who would believe me? Who would believe me? उसे कैसे पता होगा? How would he know? How would he know? क्या वह हमारे साथ आना चाहेगी? Would she like to come with us? Would she like to come with us? आप कहाँ जाना चाहोगे? Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? मैं वहाँ रहना पसंद नहीं करूँगा. I wouldn't like to be there. I wouldn't like to be there. चाय पियोगे? Would you like tea? Would you like tea? आप ऐसा क्यों करना चाहते हो? Why would you want to do that? Why would you want to do that? मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि मैं तुमसे कभी मिल पाऊंगा. I didn't think I would ever meet you. I didn't think I would ever meet you. क्या आप आना चाहेंगे? Would you like to come? Would you like to come? उसे कितना गर्व हुआ होगा? How proud he would have been. How proud he would have been. इसे कौन देखेगा? Who would see it? Who would see it? मैं कुछ भी नहीं बदलूंगा. I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything. कॉफी पियोगे? Would you like coffee? Would you like coffee? इससे मुझे बेहतर महसूस होगा. It would make me feel better. It would make me feel better. क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि मैं तुम्हें कभी नुकसान पहुंचाऊंगा? Do you think I would ever hurt you? Do you think I would ever hurt you? वह नोटिस क्यों नहीं करेगा? Why wouldn't he notice? Why wouldn't he notice? वह ऑफिस में होगी. She would be in the office. She would be in the office. मैं आराम करना चाहूंगा. I would like to rest. I would like to rest. वह अब लगभग 50 वर्ष के होंगे. He would be about 50 now. He would be about 50 now. मुझे पता था कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा. I know you would enjoy the video. I know you would enjoy the video.